Proto Technologies in Liberty Lake likes to call itself the Rapid Prototyping Specialists. If you need a prototype made in a hurry, it's the company to call. And it's the only one in the Spokane area that can do it. Deis has the story in our Made in the Northwest.
If you need a part made quickly but aren't ready for mass production, there's really only one company to call. Proto Technologies in Liberty Lake is a rapid prototyping service bureau.
So when customers come to us with an idea to create their product, we can make that one-off for them, and or start going to low volume production.
And rapid is the key word. While other companies might take several weeks to create a prototype, Proto Technologies' 50 employees pride themselves on getting it done much quicker, sometimes in less than 24 hours.
There's times that customers call us up 8 o'clock in the morning, have a file ready to go, and would like it shipped that day. And we can do that.
The company says it can make anything that's a plastic, metal, or silicone, and it's done work for all kinds of industries.
Aerospace, medical, electronics, and we can say, we've worked with Microsoft when they were doing the first Xbox hand control unit, so that was fun.
Most of the parts made here start on one of 3 rapid prototyping machines. The Connex 500 builds with multiple materials all at once. The stereolithography machine is used for many of its bigger parts.
That builds with a laser also that cures that liquid resin and solidifies it as it touches it.
And the fused deposition modeling machine builds in true materials like nylon or ABS plastics.
That is a filament in a sense that lays down the material and cures it as it's laying down to get a true plastic part.
Those parts then head to the finishing shop for processes like hand sanding. Many are primed for painting as well. Creating masters for molds is another large part of the operation. Materials are mixed together and poured into the silicone mold in the casting department.
That's where it sets up and, in a sense, cures the part.
Proto Technologies also has a full machine shop that works with a variety of plastics and metals. You might say this 5th Axis mill here at Proto Technologies is the star of the machining shop. It's able to do very complex pieces like this propeller in a very short amount of time.
Instead of maybe having 8 setups per part, we've cut it down to 3 to 2. And again, overall, that's a huge time saving.
And the company just recently added thermal forming to its list of services.
Thermal forming takes a sheet of plastic and heats it up and then, in a sense, forms it right over that mold, and it happens very quickly. Within seconds, you'll have our part done.
It's rapid, just like everything Proto Technologies does, and the growth it expects to see in the future. For Made in the Northwest, I'm Deis, KXOI 4 News.